Chapter 3. Playing with Numbers. Hello Rita and Varun. What are you doing? Hello Auntie. We are going to start our new chapter of maths. That is playing with numbers. Very good. Should I help you in understanding the chapter? It will be more fun. But before new chapter, I will tell you some useful points regarding this chapter. Like, multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying that number with any natural number. Factor of a number is the number that divides the number exactly. For example, factors of 6 are those numbers that divide 6 exactly. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Numbers whose ones place digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. Numbers whose ones place digits are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. Rita and Varun, you have to keep all the points in mind throughout the chapter. Factors and multiples. Factor of a number is a number which divides the number completely without leaving a remainder. A multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying that number by any natural number. Like multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Now let's see this diagram. If we multiply 6 to 7, we will get 42. In this, 6 is a factor of 42. 7 is also a factor of 42. Whereas 42 is a multiple of 6 and 7. We can also say that if A is a factor of B, then B is the multiple of A. Factors. Factors are those numbers which leave no remainder after dividing. Let's take an example. Consider the factors of 36. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 because they leave no remainder when 36 is divided by them. Let's see some facts regarding factors and multiples. 1 is a number that divides every number. Therefore, 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Factors of a number are smaller or equal to that number. Every number has finite number of factors. Multiples of a number are equal to or greater than that number. Every number has infinite number of multiples. Perfect number. Rita and Varun, can you tell me what proper divisor is? Proper divisors of a number are the factors of that number except the number itself. Very good. For example, proper divisors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12, but not 24. If the sum of proper divisors of a number is equal to that number, it is known as a perfect number. Let's take the number 6. Proper divisors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. Sum of proper divisors of 6 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Since sum of proper divisors of 6 is equal to the number itself, hence 6 is a perfect number. Prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers are those numbers that are at least divisible by any other number except 1 and the number itself. For example, 4, 6, 8, 12, 15, 27, etc. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers are called co-prime numbers if there is only one as the common factor. Twin primes. Prime numbers having difference of 2 are called twin primes. Test of divisibility. We will study test of divisibility that will help us to find whether the given number is divisible by other number or not without long calculations. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at ones place is divisible by 2 or digit at ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by digits at tens place and ones place is also divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit at its ones place is 0 or 5. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if that number is even and sum of all the digits of that number is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 7. Double the last digit and then subtract it from the number formed by the rest of the digits in the original number. If the difference is 0 or a multiple of 7, then the original number is divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the digits at hundreds place, tens place and ones place of that number is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if sum of all its digits is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digits at its ones place is 0. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digits at even places and odd places is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Rita and Varun, learn all the points and methods of divisibility. It will help you to be more smart in class. Yes, Auntie, we will learn it.